Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about how to create purchase requisition in ERP. There are 3 ways you can make a purchase request. In this session we will discuss how to create a purchase request using special method. Refer the material planning and stock summary video tutorial for other 2 methods. Go to Purchase module and then select Purchase Requisition. Click Create New button. Select entry type first and then select Requested by. Select the requested date. Click the Add Items button. Either you can use Check All to see the items from master, or type Alt 3 letters to find the items. Then enter the quantity and due date. Finally add the item. Click Save button to save the requisition. For any queries kindly contact us. Thank you.